Today, we're breaking down the difference between AI and machine learning. First up, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field of computer science focused on creating systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes everything from recognizing speech and images to making decisions and translating languages. Now, within AI, we have a subfield called machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a specific type of AI where we give machines access to data and let them learn for themselves. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every task, ML systems learn patterns from data. Think of AI as the overall concept, and machine learning as one way to achieve it. While AI can use different techniques, ML relies on data-driven approaches to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for each outcome. To make it even clearer, let's use an analogy. Imagine AI is like the broader field of medicine, while machine learning is like a specialized area, say cardiology. Medicine covers everything about health and diseases, and cardiology focuses specifically on the heart. In summary, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. AI encompasses a wider range of technologies, while ML is specifically about learning from data. And there you have it, a quick look at the differences between AI and machine learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.